Still gummy. Good morning. Happy Saturday. I'm just pretending I know what I'm doing in the soybean field. I don't. Sometimes people put these in their mouths and they tell you if they're ready or not, so. Still gummy. They're not ready. You're welcome for the crop update. Happy Saturday. Kids are crazy. I snuck outside. One of them already found me. We're gonna head down and do chores. I figure we haven't done like a do chores with us in a while, so that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, feels like fall. It's supposed to be really warm today though, so I'm gonna enjoy this cooler weather while it lasts. And I don't know. The beans aren't ready, I can tell you that much. I don't know about the corn, but we don't have a dryer, so corn's really gotta be dry. Broseph, why you out here in your slippers? And where's your pants?
I have my pants.
And that's my drink. Alright, so right now, Joey just scraped this yesterday, but it's just been raining a lot, so disregard that it looks dirty. We have Irene still. Her calf is weaned. There's her calf, must be inside the barn. And she has 3 calves on her still. She's got this Black Angus Holstein cross and its twin, and then this little cute Swiss. So yeah, she's got 3 calves. She's doing really well. And then we weaned some of the calves that were on the nurse cows, and they're all in this pen. A couple we gotta dehorn yet, but they're all doing really well. So yeah, let's get feeding. Why did you break this? Very rude. Can I do this with one hand? Oh. No, I cannot. I can't work like this. Got her. I'm like the She-Hulk, you know? Alright, they don't care. They just want food. Feed us. Feed us right now. So yeah, we've been a little bit slower. We're not like bottle feeding any calves or anything like that right now, which is nice, between the nurse cows and just slowing down essentially. If you're in the egg world, cattle prices have been pretty high, especially for like baby calves and stuff. And when they're that high, it's hard to want to purchase a calf for like $500 that is a newborn. So we kind of backed off a little bit. We would love some newborns to wean some of the other calves that are by the nurse cows, but they're not taking any hurt. They're just getting bigger, so yeah. I lost my train of thought. Ready? Are you ready? Gonna show everyone your paint job? Yeah. Oh. Got a little tie-dye yesterday. Day before, whatever day that was. Thank you. And it's not washable paint. But it's cute. Hello, buddies. So we saw the big group of these the other week. A lot of the Holsteins out of there. That there's a few left behind that just didn't really fit the group, but I am hurrying, trying to video. Cute. Oh, she's adorable. Okay, should we feed you guys? Flower is basically free range at this point because she just gets out of every collar. She outgrew her last one. I haven't gotten another one for her. I think we're just gonna make chain collars for them because shapeshifters. Goats are shapeshifters. I'm not saying I regret them, but hello. Want to come with me? I didn't think so. Hey, squad. Hi, sweetie. How are you? Hi, you doing so good? Great. I see you all the time, Grace. I just want to play with the calves. Oh, so cute. So these are the two, the first two that were born, the oldest ones. That one was first. They look freaking amazing. And then that guy was born. Gotta get tagging him yet. And then Juliet was born, and then shortly there, after this little cutie boy was born, come back here. Oh, hi, sweetie. Hello. How are you? So she is half Holstein, half brown Swiss. Super cute. Oh, the flies are terrible today. Got to get some fly spray out. So yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nursing mamas out here. And then we have a couple pregnant heifers and a couple just random heifers that are just hanging out. Oh, you're all so cute. Especially you, Juliet. Lisa is the reason we can't have nice things. That was not for you. Do you hear the words coming out of my mouth? I'm just gonna let her clean it up because otherwise I have to clean it up. Way easier for her. Hey, you're still cute. There's just a lot happening here. Kitties everywhere, calves everywhere. Ah, what a beautiful day though. Well, hello. Would you like to be my friend? No? Okay. Maybe later. Is that good, Sass? Oh, you lost your ear tag. What happened to it? Huh? What happened to your yellow ear tag? You had this since you were a baby. All right, we're on to the next phase. Nurse cows. The ones that, we probably could put them on pasture, but I don't know. They're so used to nursing in here, we don't want to mess anything up. So start feeding them inside now, especially now that it's gonna get Gracie. Now that it's gonna get it was a cat, in case anyone was wondering. With all the rain we've been having and with winter coming, we've been feeding them inside, which has worked really well. They did break that one board off. Joey fixed it though a little bit, and the calves haven't gotten out, so it's been working out well. Now we've got our big piglings. Hey, Peter. Oh, Peter. Peter and Petunia back together again. We've been keeping an eye on him to see if he's gonna breed her again. We had them separated, and they just, it didn't matter what we did, they got in. With pigs, I feel like if there's a will, there's a way. So anyways, they're just together now, and we're just keeping a closer eye on them. They get along really well though, so like it's not, them being separated was literally for us to know when she was in heat. So there's that, but I'm gonna get these guys watered and fed, and yeah, we're almost done, you guys. Okay, be patient. Flower. What you doing? Their problem child. Looking a lot better. We just simply had to wean him twice. First time we took him off milk, he didn't do well. So we put him back on milk for a while, and now he's finally doing well. He's just there. I think the boys are feeding the pigs, so see how well this is going. Yeah. Jack.
Jack, can I be in there?
No.
No, Ray.
Sit down.
No.
You don't want to be covered up?
No.
Woo.
Mommy.
Most important job. Can't forget to keep these. Oh, are you a kitty? I love it. Tends to get a little greasy back here when it rains. And we had quite a bit of rain the last couple days, so I got that cleaned up. That way it can dry up a little bit before we feed them tonight. I'm thinking I want to feed them hay. We've got like a pile of hay that I just want to be out of the barn, but I feel like I should just let that dry for a little bit. So maybe later we'll come back and do that. Until then, they've got a whole bale outside. Don't act like I haven't fed you. So yeah, pigs are fed, cows are fed, everyone's fed except for the piglets. Should we go feed the piglets?
No.
No? I'm gonna feed you to the piglets. Or we go feed the pigs and we'll look for eggs. Most of the chickens are locked up. I shouldn't even say most. I'd say like maybe 2/3. The rest of them are still living their best life out here because they're too smart for us to catch, essentially. There's always some eggs. So we still get to go on some egg chases. Pretty green egg. Only one back there. The hay pile I want to be gone. Sometimes there's eggs in here. They haven't been laying them there lately though. I feel like when the chickens know that you found one of their good spots for laying, they switch it up because they're like rude. Piggies! Piggies! Oh, they're so cute. They're so chunky. They actually are growing amazing. Like, I'm impressed with them. All right, let's get them watered. Looks like they got a nice mud hole for today.
Huh?
Said it looks like they got a nice mud hole for today. They just need some water. Why do you guys insist on drinking dirty things? Sorry. What are you doing? Oh, they're counting the pigs. Little babies. Looks like you'll need food soon.
Jack, can I have a drink? Jack, can I have a drink?
No wonder it was so quiet over here.
I want a drink, Jack. Jack, can I have a drink?
All right, everyone is fed this morning. I just gotta check on the chickens. But before we do that, we gotta run to the implement store and get the parts for the combine. Do you have your checkbook?
Huh?
Do you have your checkbook?
What checkbook?
To pay for all the parts.
Yeah, it's in the house.
Okay, we'll have to grab that. Do you have a lot of money?
I want a coins.
Welcome. I mean, they might take them. All right, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go there before they close. Not that they'll close anytime soon, I don't think, probably noon. Gonna get that done, and then we'll come back and check our eggs, get the chickens and stuff like that. But
Jack, can I have another?
I hope you enjoyed this edition of Do Chores with Us. It was pretty quiet until these hooligans showed up. And if you think that they're just like cute and perfect all the time, there was a lot of screaming and fighting. Just choose not to show that on the internet. Just keeping it real. All right, we're gonna head out. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, you should do that so you get the next one. And maybe like this video, maybe comment. I don't know. Still trying to figure out the whole YouTube thing, but.
Mom, your drink is almost gone.
Okay, can you say bye?